The box is labeled Adult Toys and Aids. Coming at you from Tokyo, Japan, my name is Dave, and this is Mystery Gift. This mystery gift is from Jamie in Osaka. He works for Hayashi Racing. I don't know what's in it. It's a box of anthrax. This is my first time using this new camera rig that I've got. So it's, yeah, okay, so... Alright, what have we... Wow. That's sick. Look at this. Secret Factory Japan original sticker. Look at that. That is sick. I'm going to put that on my wall. Thank you, Jamie. That's sick. What else have we got? Toyota exhaust gasket. Don't know if that fits Altezza or not. That's another one. So there's two of those. Slippery when wet stickers. There's a bunch of those. There's a stack of them. Those are really nice. Slippery when wet. Wetsuit, swimwear, sportswear accessories, gear bags, ski vests from California. Slippery when wet. Big roll of bubble wrap in there. Some OEM bolts. Those are nice. They look like M8s. Some more M8 bolts. If you needed one of those, you'd be hard pressed getting one. That's a spare one, thank you. Not one, not two, not three, but 4 genuine Greddy oil filters. Rad, thank you very much. Another one of those. More bolts, some Hayashi Racing stickers, and then this, for your pocket. I'm afraid. Oh, I know what this is. The best thing for your pocket, a bottle of whiskey. Thank you very much, Jamie. I will put all of this to good use. I think that goes on there, don't you reckon? Slippery when wet on your whiskey. I'm having a dry July, so I think I'll drink that in August. That is excellent. Alright, I need to put this back in the box so I can get a thumbnail going. Rad.